showing you how I put up this beautiful tapestry behind me. If you've seen my last video, then you know exactly where I got it from. If you didn't, I will link that down below. And let's get started. So what you're gonna need is some binder clips, your tapestry, obviously, and if you're dorming in like your school's dorm, you're gonna need ceilings that push up. So let's get started. So you're gonna start at whatever corner you want to. I'm starting at this corner over here. Just like that, and then you're just gonna go around and do it for each and every one. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye!